Some time ago, Rita and Stephen survived strokes. Scientists are now working to minimize the consequences on their daily lives.
I was in a wheelchair for about 3 or 4 months, and then I had some rehab, and then I got onto a Zimmer frame and then a stick, and after that, after they put me on the stick, the physios put me on the stick, I was away. Nothing was going to stop me then, nothing.
Where are you? Oh yeah, you went down Monday.
My stroke has only affected me physically. My brain is as quick as it's ever. I've always had a quick thinking brain, and it still is very quick, but I can't always get it out in time.
A common post-stroke problem is the inability of the survivor to perform ordered sequences of movements. An impairment that's hard to diagnose, but one that significantly affects the patient's ability to live an independent life in their own homes.
The typical impairments are to do with making errors in the sequence, or i.e. they will do things in the wrong order. So he has a tea bag. He immediately puts the tea bag into the sugar bowl, so he ignores the cup that he's supposed to use. And then you'll see he takes another tea bag and repeats the error.
Scientists at a European research project are testing a personalised home rehabilitation system for patients with these symptoms. They've designed intelligent household objects connected to a display that signals errors and instructs patients how to correct them, guiding them through simple tasks like making tea.
The trial has shown that we can enable people to make less errors and to be quicker in performing the task.
Where and how has all this technology been developed? The complex electronics were partially designed and assembled at the University of Birmingham. The intelligent objects have sophisticated sensors able to autonomously monitor orientation, motion and grip strength. That information is then sent wirelessly back to a central device.
When I lift the jug up, the force-sensitive resistors are no longer pressing on the table, and so it's obvious that the jug has been lifted. The signal from the accelerometer will indicate that the jug's moving, and so as I move the jug towards the mug, that'll be reflected in the accelerometer signals. And when I tilt the jug to pour milk into the mug, again, you'll get a characteristic signal for the accelerometers, which will indicate the tilting.
Along with stroke survivors, the technology could also offer enhanced rehabilitation to patients suffering with Alzheimer's or traumatic brain injuries. Researchers say it could become a market reality in less than a decade.
The therapist does not usually go to the home, but this system can go to the home. The patient can practice in the home, the therapist can observe and monitor what the patient is doing at home. So we think it will help the therapist, never replace.
You've just got to get out there and do what you can do. It's not what you can't do, it's what you can do that matters. And if you can't do today, try again tomorrow.